Welcome back to our today's season. Today we are going to solve a very famous problem, two-sum problems. So in this problem, you have a one input array 2, 7, 11, 15 and you have a target 9. So your job is to find the two index of that particular element with sum equal to this target. That means here we have 2, 7, 11, 15. So let me write down the index of this. This is the 0th index. Let me take a pen. This is the 0th index. This is the first index. This is the second index and this is the third index. So here the sum of 0th and first index should be 2 plus 7 is 9. So that means the index of 2 and 7 need to be returned. So this is 0, 1. So which we get very early when we are traversing this array from beginning. If this 7 is not here, let me change the something. If 7 is not here, let's remove this 7 and here let's say we have a 8. Okay, we have element here 8 and 7 our occur somehow here. Okay, 7 is here. Then what should be the output? Output should be 0, 3 because the sum of two elements which include the index of in this array, first index meant zeros and last index 3. So output should be of 0, 3. So just need to traverse this array and find the and keep summing the element till we get the target 9. Okay. So we are going to solve this problem using the map in a JavaScript. So just traverse and put in map that particular element. If not in map, then just add. If already map, then just check the sum of that element to the target. Okay, so I'm going to write this functions const to sum equal to, which will take a nums array and target nums, that is the complete array, and target which we are going to get a sum equivalent to that. So let's take a map here. So this map is empty and here I am going to just iterate this input array. Let I equal to 0 and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. Then just here check the conditions. If type of means just we need to be check the undefined or not. So type of map. So in a map, how we are going to get of that particular index? So target minus nums of I. Target minus nums of I is not equal to undefined. So that means if not undefined, so firstly that means first time they are definitely undefined. So just put in a map of. So in a map just need to be put that particular nums of I means nums of I means this is the 0. Nums I means here if you see here, so nums of 0, nums of 0 means 2. So in a 2 element just put at that particular index. So here we are just putting that here element particular and let's close this. Okay, that's fine. If already element, that means 2 is already in a map, so that is not undefined. So what we are trying to get? Target minus nums of I. So target means, that means we have target 9s here and 9 minus nums of I, 9 of 2 equal to 7. That 7 is already not here, undefined. So what we are trying to do? Just keep adding the element. Nums of I already we put it 2 and we get. So if let's see that not undefined, then what we are going to return here? If not undefined, just return here from index need to be returned in form of array. So that's why we're taking a here array. So map of target minus nums of I nums of I comma I. Okay, so this is, and if no pair, just return the empty here. Let's run this problem and see the output. So console.log here toSum equal to toSum call function with that particular array and target comma 9. Save this and see the output here. Okay, let me save this. Okay, so here you can see the output here 0 comma 1 because we are getting the index of 2 comma 7. So let's make a something difficult. Let's here if you see in our notepad, here we are just removing 7 from here and putting at an index of 3. So let me remove from here 7. Let make another element here 15 or 8 and just put 7 here. So in this case our output should be 0 comma 3. Let's save this and see the output of this here. Here you're going to see the output. Let's save this. So 0 comma 3. Let's make another case if this element is not present. So that means if I can show you here, so I'm going to see the case if there is no element in this array. So let's say we remove this 7 already we removed, and we are also removing this 3 index as well here. So that means something we have 2, 8, 11 and 15. So let's me add here. So in this case should be the empty array. So let me remove this 7 and make a 15 here. Okay, and see the output of this problem. You see we are going to get an empty because there is no element in this array. So this is the problem for today, which we today solve this. Okay, so just we taken a map here, empty map, and just we inserted initial element nums of I with that particular index. If element is not undefined, this just return particular index of that element and the iterations where we have covered. So if you want to know the complexity of this problem, this is the order of n. How? Because n is the number of element in the nums array, because for each number we are going to iterate this. So kind of we are doing this insertion and lookup. Okay, so here you see that like just we are here doing the insertion initially, and just here we are lookup doing that. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching this series, and let me know if you have any questions and your thought for solving this problem other approach, then definitely we can solve this. Thank you for watching.